So guys, welcome to my channel. And first you have to come on gigabyte.com, and this is search key. So click to search and type your motherboard model number Z790 AORUS XTREME X ICE, then hit enter. Then click on product. Click off model number of motherboard. Then click to support. You can see there the all the driver and BIOS, all the drivers there. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you are different using, so no worry, you can follow this video and you can install it. Okay, select like that Windows 11. First, this is audio. Click on download. After click download, it will start downloading. See here, wait few seconds, it will complete. Just completed, just single click, and this is extracted. So you can extract, otherwise you directly install. Just double click to exe. If you are facing some issues, then to extract and then install. Okay, then click to yes. Now this is start for run. Means it is closed automatically, so this is installed. Okay,